Alright guys, so I think this should be a good test to test my front locker or combination of front and rear locker. So I don't know how well you can see this, but this step over here is pretty steep. So I may either go over here or I may try to go this. This has a pretty good steep angle over here, so I think I'm gonna go this way actually, because over there I think I'm gonna go over here. It's one tire there, one tire here. Gonna go and try to drive all the way up over here. Yeah, this is a pretty good this should be a good test for the lockers. So let me set up the second camera and we'll see how that's gonna play out. Alright, so first I'm gonna go no lockers. Let's see how that's gonna play out. Okay, I think this is not too challenging. I had no lockers on and it climbed up no problem. So I gotta find a better challenge. So let me turn around and maybe I'll reposition or something. It's not going up, so let's activate the rear locker. I'll go back a little bit. Okay, go forward. Okay, go back. That's a pretty tough. So let's activate the front locker and let's hope. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. All right, guys. As you can see, with a dual locker, I was able to clear that step, which is not only this little step over here, but this step, it's I mean, maybe it's not the craziest stuff around or anything, but you saw with the lockers I was able to control the speed. I did not have to push the gas a lot, go crazy or anything. It just climbed up.